Robert, and you're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Hey guys, I'm Robert. You're watching Backyard Bodyworks. Today is April the 7th. We are out in the garage doing some cleanup, getting ready to move on to other parts of the car. Just wanted to take a few minutes to let you guys know that we're safe. Number one, we're healthy. Things are going well for us. But we did have an interesting development here in South Carolina. As of 5 o'clock this afternoon, South Carolina, the South Carolina governor has issued a stay-at-home order, and we will be on lockdown. In other words, we will not be going out except to work, to the doctor, to the grocery store, and possibly maybe the bank, or maybe if it's some sort of recreation like walking around the block, which is a good idea. I believe the term right now is hashtag stay home or stay at home. I'm not sure. So for those of you who are new to the channel, I work in healthcare. I'm a radiographer. And what that means is if you break a bone, either an arm, a leg, or any part of the body, I'm the guy that takes the picture. As a healthcare professional, I urge you guys to obey what your local municipalities are telling you guys to do, which is stay home. This thing is really nasty, and it's not something to sneeze at, no pun intended. The fewer people that are out and about and that are spreading this stuff around, they say that the peak will be more gradual, and we won't be as the healthcare systems will not be as overwhelmed like they were in Italy or other places. So if we can keep that from happening, by all means, guys, please help us do that, because I'm concerned for you, your family, your loved ones. Thanks for stopping by the shop. If you're new to the channel, by all means, subscribe. If you like what we're doing on these videos, give us a thumbs up. Let us know we're doing a good job. If you want to get notified about the project that we're working on right now, which is the GT6 project, or any of the other projects that we're working on, click the notification bell, and that will alert you every time that we upload a video. Guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate you guys. I want you guys to be around for the next video. So until then, keep it shiny. Bye.